Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to download videos and images from Pinterest, right? As a lot of you know that Pinterest is one of the biggest platform for free stock footages like video clips, animations, images and all of that. So I'm going to show you because a lot of people are finding it difficult to actually download images and videos from Pinterest. Now let's just go to my Chrome. So I'll be accessing Pinterest from my Chrome. So let me just open Pinterest. If that is the first time you are actually accessing Pinterest, you can actually create an account, or you can just go straight to downloading. All you have to do, you search what you want to download, right? So I can just search for tech animations. Let me say tech animations, right? So I'll click on send, and as you can see, a lot of these, all of these are animations. Okay, I think I like this one. I'll tap on this, then I'll come to this share. I hope you can see the share. So I'll now click on the share. Then I will scroll to this end. I hope you can see here, copy link, then copy the link. Then I'll have to go to my Play Store. Now this is the app you are going to download. So I've downloaded it already. Look at it here, video downloader for Pinterest. I hope you can see that there are a lot of them, but I know why I'm recommending this for you, because it's seamless and so easy to use. So I'll now click on open because I've downloaded it. Then I hope you can see it has automatically trapped that link that I copied. You don't even need to paste the link. The moment you copy the link, it will automatically trap it for you. So all you will do is you allow it to load, and as you can see here now, I will click on download straight away. So I don't even need to waste time and paste the link. Then I'll click on download. So some of the time you experience a little ad, some of the time you might not experience ad. So as you can see here, this is the file downloading and it will soon be done, right? So let's just give it a little time and it will be downloaded. So it says downloading successful. So the file has downloaded and you can see it here, my files. Look at it here. That is the file we actually copied, and this is it here. So this is all you have to do, to download your footages, videos and all of that from Pinterest. Very easy and seamless. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as I am here to bring to you a lot of updates that will help you as long as tech and tutorials is concerned. See you on the next one.